What you doing?
I'm bored.
You bored?
Yeah. See this?
Hey, is this for sale?
Yeah.
How much?
2,500.
2,500?
Yeah.
And what comes with it? Wait, hold on.
Everything.
Everything? What's everything?
Chrome bars.
Mm-hmm.
Chrome manifold.
Talk to me.
Chrome pipe.
Woo.
Chrome catch cam. Chrome valve cover soon.
Like that?
What else? That's everything.
That thing's
And
clean.
wheelie bar. Vintage Joe's frames from 1925.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
I see.
And then limited edition 212 engine.
Limited. Why is limited?
Start it up. Like this is the only one that says this. Look. 212 CC.
212?
Yeah, every
CC?
single other one say 212 and 1C. This is the only one that says 2.
So that's limited edition. For real.
Start it up.